सेवन वंडर्स ऑफ इंडिया। सो गाइज, नंबर 7 पर आता है ताजमहल, सिचुएटेड इन आगरा। Picture of Taj Mahal that was built by white marbles. The Indian art picture of Mumtaz and Emperor Shah Jahan. Fact file: often described as one of the wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal stunning 17th century white marble Taj Mahal was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan as a mausoleum for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, who died in childbirth. As an Indian, one is memorized by the Taj. सो गाइज, 6th नंबर पे आता है नालंदा इन बिहार। नालंदा इन बिहार वॉज अ हिस्टोरिकल स्टडी प्लेस ऑफ बुद्धिस्ट। Nalanda was a Sanskrit word. Nalanda, pronounced as a Sanskrit word, was an ancient Mahavidha, a revered Buddhist monastery which also served as a renowned center of learning in the ancient kingdom of Magadha, modern day Bihar in India. सो गाइस, 5th नंबर पे आता है हरमिंदर गोल्ड साहिब टेम्पल इन पंजाब। हरमिंदर गोल्डन साहिब टेम्पल इन पंजाब। In 1604, Guru Arjan placed a copy of the Adi Granth in Harminder Sahib. The Gurudwara was repeatedly rebuilt by the Sikhs after it became a target of precaution and was destroyed several times by the Mughal and invading Afghan armies. This has led to the name the Golden Temple. Completed 1589, Temple 1604 with Adi Granth, State Punjab, affiliation Sikhism. सो गाइज, 4th नंबर पे आता है कोणार्क सन टेम्पल इन ओडिशा। कोणार्क सन टेम्पल सिचुएटेड इन ओडिशा। द कोणार्क सन टेम्पल वॉज डिजाइंड बाय बीशू महाराणा। सो गाइज, 3rd नंबर पर आता है हमारा खजुराहो। द खजुराहो टेम्पल वॉज लोकेटेड इन छतरपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन मध्य प्रदेश। Chandela dynasty, built between 950 to 1050 century by the Chandela dynasty. Khajuraho temple are one of the most important specimens of the Indian art. This set of Hindu and Jain temples took around 100 years to take shape. So guys, 2nd नंबर पर आता है हमारा हम्पी इन कर्नाटका। Lakana Dandesha. The huge temple building was built by Lakana Dandesha, a chieftain under the ruler Deva Raya II of the Vijayanagara Empire. Under the Vijayanagara rulers in the middle of the 14th century, there began a following of native art and culture. So guys, 1st नंबर पर आता है हमारा गौतमेश्वर। The picture of Gautameshwar. The Gautameshwar statue is the tallest monolithic statue in the world, carved out of a single block of granite. It is 57 foot 17 meter high, monolithic, and located on Vidyagiri at Shravabelagola in the Indian state of Karnataka. It is so tall that it can be seen from 30 kilometers away. सो गाइज़, प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना, और आगे की नोटिफिकेशंस के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर बगल में घंटे बटन को ज़रूर दबाइएगा।